Chavani!
Sister!
Chavani! Chavani! Thank God that you are safe and sound. Where did you go? Huh? Why did you need to venture out of the house? Tell me. I had told you to stay at home. Why are you so scared, Chavani? What happened?
Sister, that Tara had come. She came to kill me. Sister, she will surely kill me. You please save me.
Don't cry. I'm here for you. You are very brave, right? I'm with you. No one will do anything to you. Don't be scared. It must be a nightmare, Chavani. And anyway, how can Tara come here? Tara is in jail. She won't come.
She must be out of the house.
Okay, she must be out of the house. But where is she? Hasn't she informed you?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Who else will know if you don't know? Should I ask the neighbors about my daughter's whereabouts? Deep, I hope you're not hiding something from me. Have you both quarreled with each other? Tell me.
You know what Tara is like, right? She doesn't inform anyone before she does anything. She hasn't informed me before going out.
Just a minute. Where are you going now? What's happening, Deep? She's not at home. You don't know where is she and where are you going? At least call her up and ask her where she is. I'm really worried now. She'll definitely be in a bad mood if you two have quarreled. And if she's in a bad mood, then she becomes bloodthirsty. She can do anything. Don't you know that?
Don't you worry, Mom. From now on, Tara won't be able to kill anyone.
Drink some water. Chavani, you don't need to be afraid anymore since your sister is always there with you. But if you feel very scared, then take my phone. Just give me a call. I'll come to you no matter where I am.
You don't get tense. I know that Tara is not going to come here. She's in the prison, right? As you just told me. But sister, I'm very worried about you. Deep threw you out of the house. Now what will you do?
I will go back to that house.
What do you mean?
Chavani, Deep has always saved our lives. The reason for throwing me out of the house is also the same. He doesn't want my secret to be exposed in front of everyone and my life to be in danger, which is why he threw me out of the house. I know he still secretly thinks of me as his loved one. And we don't abandon our loved ones, Chavani. Deep needs me at this time. He's breaking up within. He's totally alone. And if I don't take care of him, then he will lose his way. And I won't let that happen. I will go back to that mansion. I know that Deep hates Arohi. He keeps calling me Tara. So be it. I am ready to become Tara for him.
What are you saying? What are you going to do now? It takes 5 minutes for an inmate to take a bath here. Do what you want, okay?
Hey girl, are you new here? I'm first in line. Move away. Go back.
Behave yourself, okay?
You don't know me. I'll slap you and straighten you out. Go. Go back in the line.
I am Tara Raichand. I am not habituated to this, nor do I need to stand in this line. Come, I'll show you something new. You were saying a lot of nonsense. You were talking a lot, right?
Have you gone crazy? Leave her.
Let me
Just
go.
leave her.
Let me go.
Hold up.
I'll
Hold
kill
up.
you.
You will not understand like this. I will show you how.
I will escape from here within 24 hours and show you. I will take your life deep and I will not even leave that Arohi within 24 hours.
Agreed you brandished a knife, but you didn't slit my throat. That means you haven't escaped from prison? So you're the same person who wants to live here like Arohi. I threw you out of the house too. Why did you come back?
If that is what you want to hear, then think of me as Tara. Because nobody can separate Tara and Deep from each other. Not even God.
देखूं तुझे दिन में 100 मर्तबा ये अगर इश्क है तो है बेइंतहा तू अगर मांग ले जान दे दो अभी तू अगर बोल दे खुद को कर तू फना से जो कहे अर्जुना हो इश्क जो कहे
What is this insolence? Tell me. How can you behave like this with your own wife?
Mom, see, I'm the one who's trying to get closer to Deep when Deep just pushes me away all the time. Even though he sent Arohi to prison, he can't get her out of his thoughts. I know you don't love her, but he's venting out all the hatred he has for her on me.
What is happening here, Deep?
Mom, let it be. This is between a husband and wife, I'll handle it. Actually, I know what is the problem. Arohi. Tara, Arohi. Poor Deep is stuck between the two. But I have a solution to this as well. The solution is that from now on, Deep won't address me as Tara, but as sweetheart.
Sweetheart.
What happened, Deep? Won't you call me sweetheart?
I feel like killing you here right now.
Just say it once. You will feel the difference on your own. Sweetheart.
What is this nonsense?
Okay. Don't call me sweetheart if you don't want to. I have a solution for this as well. I will kill myself. Will that do? Okay.
Tara? Tara, where are you going to? Tara! She is crazy. She might do something untoward. Let her fulfill her whim. What's the problem? Call her sweetheart. Tara, stop it, dear. Deep, she will jump. Stop her, please.
Deep, call me sweetheart or else I will jump to my death, okay?
What nonsense is this?
This is not nonsense. Call me sweetheart or I'll jump.
You come down.
Okay, don't say anything. I will jump from here.
Deep, stop my daughter, please.
Wait. I cannot bear to see you die. Sweetheart.
Oh, sweetheart. I'll come wherever you call me. I knew you won't let anything happen to me. The loneliness is killing me now. I want to spend some time with you. Are you ready to spend some time with me?
Go take your sweetheart out.
Where do you want to go? Sweetheart.
Give me a surprise, Deep. As you used to.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.